You may have heard recently that there was a car accident at Big Y in Enfield with somebody trying to make a left hand turn where the sign says they can't make a left hand turn onto Hazard Ave. This happens all of the time. Hazard Avenue is one of the busiest roads. I know. I was in a car accident right by where the old mobile station was. Just maybe 100 feet from where that Big Y no left hand turn sign is. Our Enfield office is located right near that intersection, and Hazard Avenue is really one of the busiest roads in all of north central Connecticut. It has traffic from people who are coming to and from Summers, maybe even East Longmeadow, Stafford. All are traveling down that road, to get to either the highway or the commercial area in Enfield. So when people are making no left-hand turns out of there, they are risking, they are really putting a whole bunch of other people's lives and limbs at risk here for significant harm and causing car accidents. Now, when I had my car accident at that mobile station, somebody was trying to take a left-hand turn out of the mobile station. There was no sign that said no left-hand turn, which is crazy to me that, the town of Enfield would allow people to try to cross 2 or 3 or even 4 lanes of traffic and a very busy road and make a left-hand turn. So I'm very familiar with that area, the dangers of it. I've always felt that the town should have Jersey barriers up, so there should be dividers, so nobody can cross it. Because even with the sign, we know humans, and they want to take a shortcut. They want to get home faster. They don't want to turn around. They don't want to take a right and drive around. But so they take that left. So I think that I really think that there should be Jersey barriers to prevent that. When I had my accident in 1998, I even met with a town manager and town attorney and really urged them to make that change. Now, nothing has changed in the, I don't know, 25 years since then. So you still have people doing these crazy things. And the only thing you can do to stop this is to really hold them accountable. Hold them accountable for their choice. Hold them accountable for not following the rules. And so if you've been in an accident, caused by somebody who's taking a left-hand turn out of Big Y, give me a call. 877-CTF-WINS. I know the area, I've been through it, and I'm willing to hold them accountable for the harm that they've caused you.